Certainly. Here are 10 more questions and answers about the respiratory system in English. 31. What role does the mucociliary escalator play in the respiratory system? The mucociliary escalator is a mechanism in the respiratory tract where mucus traps pathogens and particles, which are then moved up and out of the airway by cilia, helping to protect the lungs from infections. 32. How does the respiratory system contribute to maintaining acid-base balance in the body? The respiratory system regulates the levels of carbon dioxide in the blood. Carbon dioxide acts as an acid when dissolved in the blood and is exhaled to help maintain the body's pH balance. 33. What is the function of the trachea in the respiratory system? The trachea, also known as the windpipe, carries air from the larynx to the bronchi in the lungs. It is lined with ciliated cells and mucus glands to help filter and moisten incoming air. 34. How do allergies affect the respiratory system? Allergies can trigger an immune response in the respiratory system, leading to symptoms such as sneezing, coughing, wheezing, and nasal congestion as the body reacts to allergens. 35. What is the function of the respiratory system in vocalization and speech production? The respiratory system provides the airflow necessary for vocalization and speech production. Air from the lungs passes through the larynx, where vocal cords vibrate to produce sound. 36. How does the respiratory system respond to physical and emotional stress? During stress, the body's fight-or-flight response can lead to increased breathing rate and depth to provide more oxygen to the muscles and brain, preparing the body for action. 37. What is the role of the pulmonary arteries and veins in the respiratory system? Pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs for oxygenation, while pulmonary veins return oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart to be circulated to the rest of the body. 38. How does the respiratory system adapt to changes in temperature and humidity? The respiratory system can adjust the temperature and humidity of inspired air by altering blood flow to the airways and adjusting the amount of moisture in the nasal passages and lungs. 39. What is the impact of chronic stress on respiratory health? Chronic stress can affect the respiratory system by leading to shallow breathing, increased muscle tension, and heightened respiratory rate, potentially contributing to respiratory issues and exacerbating conditions like asthma. How does the respiratory system change with age, and what are common respiratory conditions in older adults? As people age, lung function may decrease, respiratory muscles weaken, and elasticity of lung tissue diminishes, making older adults more prone to respiratory conditions like pneumonia, COPD, and lung cancer.